Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions one product battle at a time. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown that's hotter than a nozzle at 280 degrees Celsius. In the left corner, we have the Congro Ender 3v2 Neo. Let's just call it Ender Neo. And in the right corner, we have the Flashforge Adventurer 5M, or as we like to call it, Flash 5M. So buckle up, because this is going to be one print-tastic ride. First up, let's talk about that all-important factor, price. The Ender Neo comes in at a wallet-friendly $199. That's right, folks, it's cheaper than your monthly coffee budget if you're a caffeine addict like me. On the other hand, Flash 5M is priced at $479. That's almost $300 more. For that price difference, you could buy a small island, or at least a lot of filament. So if you're looking to save some cash, the Ender Neo is your new best friend. Next, let's talk about assembly. The Ender Neo boasts an easy 3-step assembly process that's friendlier than your grandma offering you cookies. It's pre-installed and ready to go. Reviewers love how straightforward the setup is, especially for beginners. Meanwhile, Flash 5M promises one-click automatic printing. It's like the Staples easy button of 3D printing. According to reviews, it's incredibly intuitive, making it a favorite for users who want no-fuss printing. So if you're like me and your IKEA furniture always ends up with extra parts, both of these printers have you covered. Now onto bed leveling. The Ender Neo has the CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling with 16-point automatic bed leveling technology. It's like having a mini engineer inside your printer, handling all the nitty-gritty for you. Reviewers highlight how this feature makes the printing process smoother and more reliable. On the flip side, Flash 5M also offers automatic bed leveling, but with a one-click promise. So it's basically saying, "I've got this, just press the button and chill." Users appreciate the hassle-free experience it provides. Both are saving you from the manual leveling nightmare, but Flash 5M adds a bit more of that set it and forget it magic. Alright, speed demons, this one's for you. The Ender Neo comes with a silent motherboard and a full metal extruder, making it a quiet yet powerful beast. It's like the ninja of 3D printers. Reviews mention its excellent out-of-box print quality and the silent operation as major plus points. But Flash 5M takes it up a notch with a Core XY structure that can reach speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. Plus, it has dual fan nozzles and multiple nozzle sizes for superior print quality. Users rave about its speed and precision, despite some noise issues. So if you're in a hurry to print your next masterpiece, Flash 5M is the way to go. Let's talk user interface and features. The Ender Neo has a brand new 4.3-inch UI with model preview and supports 9 languages. It's like a mini United Nations meeting on your printer screen. Reviewers find the UI very user-friendly and informative, but the Flash 5M has a mobile app, FlashMaker, for remote real-time monitoring and adjustments. It's like having a personal assistant for your 3D printer. Users love the convenience of being able to control their printer from anywhere. So if you're all about that smart tech life, Flash 5M has you covered. Last but not least, the build plate. The Ender Neo features a PC Spring steel magnetic build plate, which means your prints stick when you want and pop off when you don't. It's like magic. Reviewers appreciate how easy it is to remove prints without damaging them. Meanwhile, Flash 5M has a dual-sided PEI platform for easy removal and multiple platform options. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of build plates. Users love the versatility and ease of use. Both offer great solutions, but Flash 5M provides a bit more flexibility. Summarizing the reviews, the Ender Neo is highly praised for its affordability, ease of assembly, and quiet operation. Users note that it offers excellent print quality right out of the box, although it may require some learning and minor tweaks. On the other hand, the Flash 5M is lauded for its speed, precision, and smart features like remote monitoring. Reviewers love its high-speed capabilities and ease of use, despite some noise issues. So there you have it, folks. The Ender Neo is the budget-friendly, easy-to-assemble, and quiet operator, while the Flash 5M is the high-speed, smart tech, and feature-packed powerhouse. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next epic product showdown. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping. Product links are in the description.